Hello friends, welcome to dptutorials. In Primavera, we can use Renumbering Activity ID function to modify the Activity ID prefix. How about we want to modify the suffix? I will show you how to do this in this particular video tutorial. We have a simple project with default activity IDs like this. First, go to the menu bar and under Tools, select the Global Change function. Click on this New button. Leave the If section blank and go to the Then section. In Parameter, select Activity ID. And then in Parameter Value, select Activity ID again. In the Operator section, select ampersand. In Parameter Value section, select as Custom. And then enter the suffix you want to add. For example, I'm typing as dp. Now click on this Change button. P6 will show you a preview of the change. Click on Commit Changes button. And then you can see there is DP letter in your activity ID for all the activities in your P6 schedule. So friends, like this you can modify your activity ID suffix in the Primavera P6. I hope you understood this video tutorial. If yes, please do give a like, share and comment. And for further more interesting videos, please do subscribe dptutorials. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.